Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Luggage Rack White is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any traveler, whether you're a frequent flyer jetting across continents or a weekend warrior exploring new destinations. This versatile piece of equipment not only provides a convenient spot to place your luggage, keeping it off the floor and easily accessible, but it also adds a touch of organization and sophistication to your hotel room or guest space. Imagine arriving at your destination and having a dedicated, sturdy place to unpack and settle in without cluttering your living area. That's the promise of a quality luggage rack, and the white variant offers a clean, modern aesthetic that complements various decor styles. Number 5. Winsome Reese Luggage Rack with Storage Shelf. Introducing the Reese Luggage Rack, designed for ultimate convenience. Effortlessly pack or unpack your bags with its stylish and functional design. No matter the size of your luggage, this rack can handle it. Its sturdy build ensures stability for any bag you place on it. Crafted from solid wood, it features a beautiful espresso finish that complements any room decor. It adds a touch of elegance to your guest room or bedroom. Forget about complicated assembly. This rack comes ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold it and it's ready to go. It also includes a convenient storage shelf, perfect for keeping shoes, bags, or other essentials organized. Maximize your space with this thoughtful addition. When not in use, it can be easily folded for compact storage. Its dimensions make it a practical choice for any living space. What we like? This one offers a solid wood construction for durability and a convenient storage shelf. If you are looking for a blend of sturdiness and extra space for your guests' belongings, this is a great choice. Its foldable design and no assembly requirement make it incredibly user-friendly for immediate use. What people say. The luggage rack is sturdy and well-made, capable of holding multiple bags without issue. Its compact design allows it to fit easily into small spaces when not in use, and the white finish complements most decor. Assembly was straightforward, taking only a few minutes to put together. Number 4. Casual Home White Luggage Rack. Introducing our stylish white luggage rack, designed for both convenience and elegance in your home. Its generous width ensures ample space for your travel needs. This rack is foldable, making it incredibly easy to move around and store when not in use. Enjoy hassle-free setup and tidiness. A thoughtful felt-lined drawer is integrated to keep your belongings safe from scratches. It provides a secure spot for smaller items. The convenient lower shelf offers additional utility. Use it as a shoe rack or for extra storage, adapting to your specific needs. Constructed from solid wood with reinforced heavy-duty straps, it offers exceptional support and longevity. You can rely on its sturdy build. Its elevated height is designed for your comfort, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Plus, it requires no assembly, so you can use it right away. What we like? Featuring a felt-lined drawer to protect items and a convenient lower shelf, this rack adds a touch of luxury and practicality. If you prioritize protecting delicate items and need extra space for shoes or bags, this is the ideal option. Its solid wood construction ensures it can handle frequent use. What people say. The luggage rack is sturdy and well-made. It's easy to assemble and looks great in my room. The design is sleek and modern, and it holds a good amount of luggage. Number 3. SONGMICS Folding Luggage Rack with Shelf URLR007W01. Make your guests feel at home with this convenient luggage rack. It elevates the suitcase to a comfortable height for packing and unpacking, saving you or your guests from bending down to the floor. The natural bamboo frame combined with robust nylon strap supports up to 110 pounds on the top and 21 pounds on the lower shelf. Its classic white finish adds a personal touch to any room. This rack is wider than similar ones and can hold larger suitcases. When not in use, it folds compactly for easy storage in closets or corners. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and only one type of screw. You can easily set up this suitcase stand without any hassle. The lower storage shelf keeps shoes or other items off the floor. The hook and loop fastener allows you to keep the fabric layer neat and clean when folded. What we like? This rack boasts a wider design to accommodate larger suitcases and is constructed with a natural bamboo frame for a stylish look. If you often host guests with larger luggage or appreciate eco-friendly materials and a touch of natural elegance, this is the one to consider. Its straightforward assembly means it's ready to use in no time. What people say. The luggage rack is very sturdy and well made. It's a great size for holding multiple suitcases. The white color is a nice touch and looks good with my decor. Number 2. SONGMICS Foldable Luggage Rack Set. Make your guests feel welcome with this set of 2 luggage racks. They keep luggage off the floor, making packing and unpacking a breeze. These racks are designed for durability. With strong steel frames and nylon straps, each one can hold up to 110 pounds securely. When not in use, they fold flat for easy storage. They are designed to accommodate various suitcase sizes, making them versatile. Assembly is quick and easy. Everything you need is included, so you can set them up in minutes. Get a set of 2 foldable luggage racks. They provide convenient extra storage and add a touch of style to any room. What we like? Get a set of 2 sturdy luggage racks with a strong steel frame, perfect for maximizing convenience in guest rooms or hotels. If you need to equip multiple spaces or want a reliable, stable solution that won't scratch floors, this set is an excellent value. The adjustable feet ensure stability on any surface. What people say. This is a great luggage rack. It is very sturdy and well made. The luggage rack is easy to assemble and looks great in my room. I love the design of this luggage rack. It is very functional and holds a lot of luggage. Number 1. Lipper International Right Height Folding Luggage Rack. Tired of bending over to pack and unpack? This luggage rack is designed to save your back and make your travel routine easier. It provides valuable extra space in any room and even includes a convenient bottom shelf that doubles as a shoe rack. No more clutter. When not in use, it folds up easily for convenient storage. Plus, there's no assembly required, so you can start using it right away. Crafted from 100% durable Brazilian pine wood, it's built to last. The clean white finish complements any home decor beautifully. It opens to a generous size of 22/7/8 x 13/3/4 x 27/1/2, offering ample space for your luggage. When folded, it's just 4 deep for compact storage. Your purchase includes 1 luggage rack with an integrated bottom shelf shoe rack. Please note that any accessories shown in images are not included. What we like? This rack is designed at a right height to save your back, making packing and unpacking a breeze. If you or your guests experience back discomfort or simply prefer a more ergonomic solution, this is the perfect fit. The addition of a bottom shelf for shoes adds to its overall utility and space-saving design. What people say. This product is very sturdy, aesthetically appealing, tall and closes up flat for storage. What I like the most is the height. Normally you have to bend over, but this one is a good height and makes your back not do all the work. I opted specifically for this model because it's a higher height, 27.5 inches, compared to a typical 20 to 24 folding luggage rack. The extra few inches really save on my back. Solid construction, fairly sturdy. This luggage rack is perfect. It is sturdy and will hold a full-size suitcase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.